How to transfer money from Advcash to PayPal. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can transfer money from Advcash to your PayPal account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So this is advcash.com. This is kind of like a wallet. And in order to send money to another account, you must verify your account. So by now, my account is not verified. If you want to verify it, you must click on this and to follow the steps in order to verify your account. This is basically to give your mobile phone number and then to take a picture of your passport or your ID to complete the personal info. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can verify your account. Once you have done that, in this upper part of the website, you're gonna see a menu and send funds. I'm gonna click there. And this is how I can transfer from Advcash. So I can transfer to another Advcash user to a Visa or MasterCard credit or debit card. It must be debit card, I guess, to a bank or to an email. It is important also that the currency you're going to be choosing to transfer is the USD by now, or it could be the Euro. I guess these are the currencies that Advcash is working on by now. You can also buy some crypto and some other stuff, but if you want to transfer some money, it must be in these currencies, okay? So let's suppose I want to transfer to Visa, MasterCard or the bank because as you can see, there's not an option to transfer directly to PayPal. But fortunately, PayPal is linked to some bank accounts and to some Visa or MasterCard cards. Also, as you remember, there's an option that PayPal allows us to create a debit card so you can send money to this card directly, but you must request your card. And also remember, this card is just available in some countries. So I hope that your country is on this list. You just have to go there. If I try to do that, there are going to be different options. So transfer to Visa card in USD or in Euro. Also to MasterCard. These are just the currencies that are available. So for instance, in my country, the currency is COP, so I'm not going to be able to transfer money to those cards because my card doesn't allow these currencies. So just be sure that your card is going to support these currencies. You just have to click, let's suppose, in USD. But as I told you, this withdrawal method is just available for verified users. And it's the same for a bank. I can choose a local bank transfer. Also, I guess that also there's going to be a list of the banks that are available to transfer because this is local. So most of the United States banks are going to be available here. But some other countries like Latin American countries, as I told you, are not going to be available. Also because the currencies are not supported. And also, as I told you, I must to verify my account in order to use this withdrawal method. But that's how it works. Once you have done that, you can link that bank account or Visa or MasterCard card into your PayPal account, and that's how you're going to be able to transfer money from Advcash to PayPal. Thanks for watching.